Yeah, I don't want weird stalkers. That's a good point. I'm gonna get your face in there. Look who I'm with. I'm with my friend Jocelyn. And we're at the Heart of Ohio Antique Center. And we're gonna go find some cats.
Let's do it,
and some cool pottery and glass.
And a troll hat.
And a troll hat. I left that troll hat here last time and I regretted it. So I think I need it. The challenge of today is gonna be remembering what I'm doing. That's cool. That bangle with the texture. That one's cool too with the wood. And then look at the Bakelite buckle. That's neat too. But you can Alexander. I like this basket. Is it expensive?
I don't know. I don't think so.
It looks expensive. $45. That's really cool.
10% off.
Look at all their bangles, dude. Yeah, that is neat. See, I like the ones with the dots. These are the coolest salt and pepper shakers ever. Did you see these?
I love everything in there, and I just can't, like, I try not to look too hard because I know it's like full retail, so I can't focus too hard.
Yeah. But these are the
They
coolest.
are amazing. I've never seen those before.
Me neither. Dude, Bakelite mushroom salt and pepper shakers.
Well, this is the line of salt and pepper shakers.
But they're Bakelite mushrooms. I really like this thing.
I think if you get that one, I'm gonna get this one.
You're gonna get that one?
I'm gonna get this one.
What's that?
That's just an inclusion in the glass from the processing.
It's got little daisies on it.
This one's 18. Spanish lace.
Oh, Howard.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I like the Santa Claus music box. But I'm on a music box ban right now.
Oh, you're not allowed to.
No, because the past couple I've picked up have randomly not had off buttons and have been playing music the whole way, and it's driving me nuts.
Like, sleeping and all of a sudden it starts playing.
Yeah, or I'll be driving home and it makes me hate it. Dude, talk about feet. Pawn my soul. Japan. If that was German, it would be worth more, obviously. 28. Japan. Pawn my soul. Not really sure what's going on there, but I like it. Feet sell. Look at this. They're
little
carved porcupines.
They're like for the side of a planner.
It's amazing. I just felt like it was important because it was a porcupine.
I know, you don't see very many porcupines.
Yeah. Everybody needs a good porcupine.
You know what else you don't see very many of is armadillos.
Armadillos is a real thing.
I know they're real.
Yeah.
They're
Like,
not-
it's a huge niche. There's like a whole underground.
Oh, I thought you meant like you're telling me that they're real animals. I'm like, no, I've seen them. For
Oh, no,
real.
no,
I
no,
know
no.
They're real.
They're like a whole niche
They're not
market.
like unicorns.
No, there's like a whole underground community of people who collect armadillos.
Well, it
You
makes
can't
sense.
be filming.
You guys, we're having an in-depth conversation about armadillos.
Armadillos.
Yeah.
You never see armadillo figurines.
And how there's a whole niche of, hey, you've got your checkerboard sweater on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, armadillos.
Porcupines in here, so we're like, oh yeah. Let's
Oh, that's really cool.
armadillos.
Armadillos are hot. Oh,
What have you
Jocelyn.
found? Oh my gosh. Is it an armadillo? Oh my gosh, is that an iguana?
There's a lot going on here. There's
what
the
are you
glass.
pointing at?
I'm pointing at both. I'm pointing at both the glass lizard, but also look at the turtle.
He's kind of crazy and
I've
colorful.
never seen one like
I
that.
was so distracted because we were talking about iguanas in the group the other day, and
Yeah.
there's an iguana.
It's because Dagny started collecting iguanas. Did you know that?
How many does she have to make it a collection?
I've gifted her two,
So she needs
and
3.
I've been telling everybody to send iguanas.
Yeah, she needs 3 for an official collection.
Yeah, so people should send her iguana stuff if they have any. Dude, these are sick.
I know. I think they're too. Last time they were too much.
I just knocked
Maybe
my
they're
head into
pricey
this
now.
thing.
Last time I couldn't make it work.
Yeah, they're a little spendy, but they're really pretty. They're very... My favorite word, yonic. You're all welcome. I'm kind of into this. I'm kind of disappointed, though. I thought it was one of those glass dishes. It's just a postcard in a frame. Mr. Liberal. Dude. This is kind of cool. Whoa. That thing's almost as tall as me. I'm kind of curious just because that's wild looking. Are those salt and pepper shakers up there? I'm using my camera to see how much they are. $20 for the pair. They're really different. Those are really cool. The little tigers and tuxedos. German. Huh. Dude, Jocelyn. It's Big Katrina and Max. Big Katrina and Max. I really like Max's energy.
You know, I almost wonder if those are. I don't know, they remind me of the steak that I had when I was early on.
They're really spooky in the best way possible. I kind of got distracted by this, like, picture. Huh. That's kind of cool. It's only $5 too. Why is it only $5? Is it? Did I read that right? Yellow picture, $5. That's kind of pretty. I like that. I think I'm gonna get this. What else is in this booth, dude? Wait, look, Mickey. I was about to stick it under my arm and then I realized I had a basket. 25 Mickey and Minnie toothbrush holder. That's kind of fantastic. Yeah, so you usually just see Mickey, and if it is, it's definitely not the toothbrush holder. The last one sold with better paint, but it sold for $100. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a chance on this for 25. It's pretty spectacular, and it's got that certain. I kind of like the age on it because it is so old, and it's kind of neat that the back is in as good condition as it is. So I'm gonna grab this too. I also really like the handle on this little pitcher. I guess it's a Crewet. I don't know what it's called, but I like it. What is going on with this? I love this texture-y stuff. $20, that's a crazy. Huh. That's kind of crazy looking. It's got a neat look to it. I feel like Jocelyn would like this duck basket. Hey, I think you would like this. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I thought you were going for the little elf.
What? Giant Bunny Santa Village? $6. What did you see?
I'm up here with this blue glass.
The tumble up thing?
Yeah,
That's
it's
gorgeous.
Like a urn style.
Nah, that's gorgeous. That one's really pretty. What elf thing? Am I missing something? On the bottom?
Treasure craft.
Oh, dang, yeah, and it's $19. That's a really good price. Also, did you see this lucite nightlight?
Oh, sweet.
There you go. That's like, it looks like $2 on it. Just saying.
I have a lucite sale coming up next February.
Well, that's perfect.
Someday.
Now, we have to find keys.
I know.
Dude, check out these crazy candle holders. 2-piece glass vase. What? Are they black? Oh, I feel like Jocelyn's gonna be jealous. These are cool looking. Oh, I really like these. I don't know about the way this bird is looking at me, dude. That's awesome. Pigeon Pottery. What else can we find? I did a double take when I saw this crazy photo. That is awesome. Kodak. Huh. $24. That seems super reasonable. I'm gonna pass on that, but it's really neat. Look at this tea box. Is this a tea box? Yeah. Wow. That's quite spectacular too. I love the graphic on that. That's another thing where like the wear makes it even better. I love this tin toy. Battery op though. I don't really mess with battery op stuff. Mostly because I never have a battery. What is happening here? Oh my gosh. That is fantastic. Screw people. Dude, what is going on with that skunk? It's also $97. It's really amazing though. Also the table lighter. There's all kinds of cool stuff in this case. In the little hand box. For some reason, I feel like this is a kind of hard to find color. Maybe because I've never seen it before. It's like a lavender. That's really cool. I really want to show this to Jocelyn. Well, I did look it up, and it looks like that's surprisingly about what they sell for. So I'm gonna leave that one be, although I know she'd like that color. There is all kinds of unique pottery stuff in here. What is this thing with the eyeballs? I'm trying to see. It's a little dark back there. Oh my gosh, and it's got a smiley face. How funny is that? $36. And this is a neat decanter. It's a little spendy back here. 25. Whoa, that's gorgeous. I love the Jack in the Pulpit. Oh my gosh. Look at that George Briard. These are sick. What about this thing? It's kind of neat looking. It's marked to St Clair. $125, just kidding. Look at these owl belt buckles. Those are neat too. Little heart box. $12, but it's cracked. Look at this. I just want to touch everything in here. That is an awesome orange. God, it weighs like 100 pounds. Like, look at these crazy glittery orange things. $125 for the pair. See, that's not for me, but it's really pretty. I wouldn't even want to resell something that heavy, though. I feel like it would need its own box. Dude, this thing's sick, too. I just really like the crazy shapes and the oranges. Weird Yonic bowl. See, and I like this thing. This thing's wild. I'm really into the weird shapes. Look at this skull. I wonder, is that plastic? It looks, I wonder. The skull's cool. Looks like it's got a neck, actually. There's all kinds of weird stuff down here. Holy crap, look at that thing. That thing's probably like $10,000. It looks very expensive. Speaking of crazy owl things, look at that. How much is that? That thing's weird as hell. Oh my gosh, I just knocked my head into the glass. See, like, that's really pretty too. Fine. Huh, I feel like that's a color Joss would like. Whoa, I like this crazy nude glass sculpture with the weird, oh my gosh. That's totally her too. Man, so much fun when you have your friends with you. Look at that weird dog thing. That's kind of cool. Lacquered. I have not to see a single cat, although we haven't gone very far, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that wild looking alligator thing. Man, I am trying to remember what case it was that we had so much fun in when it was so chaotic in here. Oh my gosh, look at that Cupie. Oh, that is everything. And I just cannot remember for the life of me. But I'm looking for my cat stuff, man. I feel like I'm on a mission at this point. What's going on with the donut? It's a donut bank. That's pretty great. The duck is kind of awesome. $6. Green duck planter. I'll take that. Is it chipped? I don't understand. It's got such great expression. I love the glaze on it. Now, like I said, there was something I said I wish I hadn't left. And here it is. The freaking troll hat, dude. $20. This is me all day. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. See, now that's what I'm talking about.